Hello dear friends, myself Lokesh Jarodia, working as an executive sous chef at Hotel Novotel Imagica. So as the festival season of Christmas Eve is coming nearby, so today I am coming with a new recipe that is called plum cake. For making this plum cake, a very new ingredients and very important ingredients is the dry fruits. These are the dry fruits. They are the chopped dry fruits like almonds, cashew nuts, fig, dry peel, lemon peel, ginger peel, and many of the other dry fruits are put in that. The main reason of getting this dry fruit more aroma and tasteful is that we should soak this dry fruits in a brandy or rum. So I soak these dry fruits in a brandy and rum for near about 1.5 months. So this is the main ingredients for making the plum cake. Now we start with the method of making the plum cake. The very first I am taking a butter. So I am putting this butter in a bowl. It's a soft butter. This is granulated castor sugar. This is near about 200 grams. It goes with the butter. Now I have to whip this sugar and butter. So I am grinding this sugar and butter all together to make a form of very smooth consistency. Once we get the smooth consistency, we'll stop it. So while mixing this ingredient, while mixing the butter and sugar, you have to put the egg one by one. आप सारे अंडे एक साथ मत डालिए, नहीं तो ये मिक्सचर कर्डल हो जाएगा. जैसे जैसे इसमें आप अंडे मिलाते जाएंगे, ये लाइट और फ्लफी होता जाएगा एंड इट विल रेज. जब आप इसमें एग डाल रहे हैं तो इसकी बीटिंग कंसिस्टेंसी रखिए और इसे कंटिन्यूस रखिए. दिस माय फोर्थ एंड फाइनल एग इज गोइंग. अब इसमें नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट डालेंगे जो हम डालेंगे फ्लावर. दिस इज 180 ग्राम ऑफ रिफाइंड फ्लावर. अब ये हम इसमें डालेंगे. आफ्टर दैट आई एम पुटिंग सम हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा. नाउ गोज विथ 1/4 क्वार्टर टी स्पून ऑफ क्लो पाउडर, क्वार्टर टी स्पून ऑफ सिनेमन पाउडर, क्वार्टर टी स्पून ऑफ ग्रीन कार्डमम पाउडर, एंड दिस इज ड्राई जिंजर पाउडर. ये भी हम क्वार्टर टी स्पून डाल देंगे. नाउ आई एम पुटिंग 2 टीस्पून ऑफ वेनिला एसेंस. 2 टीस्पून वेनिला एसेंस डालेंगे इनमें. एंड आई एम पुटिंग ए शुगर सिरप. दिस इज ए कैरामलाइज्ड शुगर सिरप. दिस आई एम पुटिंग इट डाउन. I have to take a spatula and I have to bind it slowly and softly. That means I have to fold it. After putting the flour, please don't whisk it. उसे एग बीटर से नहीं चलाना है. लाइटली अपने लाइट हैंड हाथ से, सॉफ्ट हैंड से उसे फोल्ड कीजिए. One thing you should keep in mind, friends, over mixing of this ingredient can destroy your product. It can get curdle. So you have to mix with very soft hands. And now the final product which I am putting is the soaked brandy dry fruits. This all dry fruits which is soaked in brandy and rum, I am putting it. Again I am mixing it. This is the consistency. All the ingredients are incorporated inside very well. कोई भी lumps नहीं है इनमें. So dear friends, our plum cake mixture is finally ready, and now I want to put it in a cupcakes. These are the cupcakes in which I am baking the plum cake. Please don't overfill it, just fill it till 50%. Normally any fruit cake we are baking at 180 degree to 200 degree centigrade, but this plum cake I am normally baking at 180 degree only, and it should be baked for 20 minutes only. So here the plum cake mixture had gone in cake mold, that is a cake mold. Now I will bake this plum cake at 180 degree centigrade for near about 20 minutes. So dear friends, here is the plum cake. After baking at 180 degree for 20 minutes, this is the final product we are getting of the plum cake. See, it is so refreshing, so aroma of dry ginger, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom is coming, and lots of dry fruits which are soaked in brandy and rum are giving a fruitful flavor. So enjoy this plum cake during the Christmas Eve. I am just plating this plum cake on a plate. So this is the final product of our plum cake. It is nicely plated, and hope you all will enjoy this plum cake with your family and friends. So wish you all a very happy and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Thank you.